Hi guys! I love watching movies, and that's including the Oscar. I love the Oscar, especially the red carpet pre-show. You can't help feeling so glamorous. With that comes a fancy dinner. You have to up your game when watching the Oscar. So I fancy up my dinner with pad see ew noodles with roasted lobster tails, smothered in seaweed butter sauce. I know, this is going to blow your mind. And pair that with a glass of Pinot Gris, and you got yourself an Oscar award-winning dish. Let's make it. So pad see ew is normally made with white rice noodle. Today, I changed it up to use the skinny rice noodle instead, also known as senmi. This type of rice noodle is very thin and fragile. You just need to soak them in room temperature water for like 10 minutes. It will start to break down the longer it sits, so don't forget. Now the lobster. They were frozen when I got them, so I thawed them overnight in the fridge. You can prep them way in advance, but it took no time at all. Just split it in half. Don't cut all the way through though, just wide enough so that you can open up and pull out the meat. Make sure to take out the vein and clean it out if there's any. The meat should sit nicely on top of the shell. Pat dry or allow it to air dry before applying the seaweed butter sauce. Speaking of sauce, as many of you may know, I am a purist when it comes to sauces. I don't like to mix east and west ingredients, but as I grow wiser, I learn to appreciate and accept the things that are simply match made in heaven, like seaweed sauce with melted butter and lobster. Where have you been all my life? Oh my goodness. You absolutely must try this sauce. I tested it on a few different proteins. Nothing comes even close to the deliciousness compared to lobster. So the seaweed sauce helps caramelize the meat and the butter seal into juice. Absolutely must try. Now the cooking. The cooking time for lobster depends on the size. This took about 10 minutes. I brushed them with seaweed butter sauce before baking them at 370 Fahrenheit. In the video, I stir-fry the noodles in the same amount of time to cook the lobster. This way, everything is nice, hot, and ready to serve all at the same time. So, knowing that I have 10 minutes, I stir-fry the noodles on a medium-low heat, which by the way could be done under 4-minute flat. I took the time to cook the noodles, plus they're very delicate and need to be extra gentle when mixing them. No need to be stirring crazy here. Once the color looks golden brown all over, it is done. In the meanwhile, you should check the lobster at halfway mark. Not all ovens are created equal, so it might take shorter time in your oven, and it is expensive protein. So don't overcook them because it will be tough and rubbery. So don't forget. This dish looks good and tastes even better. My husband and I enjoyed the dish while watching the Oscar, which by the way did not disappoint. I was so happy that Michelle Yeoh won the Best Actress, the first Asian winner, and Ki Hui Hwan. To be honest, I didn't even remember his real name. I just remember him as that Asian kid from the Goonies. Have you seen that movie? Oh my god, I love that movie. Kwan was so cute and funny, though he was more well known for his role in the Indiana Jones movie. He was so emotional, accepting his Oscar for the supporting actor. I listened to his interview and he paused from acting career like 20 years and he's still so good. When you're good, you're good. I am a big fan, him and Michelle. And I think Michelle and Kwan might have discussed about their speeches because both of them mentioned about dreams, that dreams come true. Anyway, I am a fan of both of them. I actually love Michelle from her role in the Crouching Tiger and Hidden Dragon. Oh my god, she was also very crazy, outstanding good at the Crazy Rich Asian. And now I love her even more because she dedicated this achievement to her mom. What a classy lady. I am a big fan, even though there's no drama at the Oscar. I will always watch it. So I hope you enjoyed the Oscar as much as I did. More than that, I hope you will make this crazy delicious seaweed butter sauce. It is an Oscar-winning sauce in my book. Well, I hope you give it a try and let me know how you like it. So, cheers and enjoy the Oscar.